Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how to create a professional fillable PDF forms with required fields. Let's begin. First, open up your Adobe Acrobat Pro, select your PDF document. So I'm going to select mine, one moment. All right, there we go. So you can see these are the text fields. We're going to add more. Click on Prepare a Form on the Tools option. Then you will have the option to add text fields. So we will add more text fields here, there, and over here. Click on preview, right? Nationality could be anything, American, country, city and province, email address. Let's say, for example, you would like to have these first three required fields. Let's do that. Exit preview, go ahead, select these three, or you can also do it like this. Right click, properties, then form field visible, or you can also choose hidden. Here you will notice the option required. Click on it to enable this option, close, and there you go. It is now highlighted in red color. This will indicate that these fields are required and nobody should skip these. Now, these other text fields, they're fine. So they can actually just continue with the form without giving this information. Once done, go ahead, click on menu and hit that save button. That's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.